Hey Cool Beans family, Miss Marissa here and
Wolfie!
And today we're going to be making some cool ninja stress balls. For today's project, we'll need
scissors, markers, PlayDoh,
and
balloons.
The first step of the project is going to be to grab one of your balloons and cut right at the base of the stem of the balloon. Wolfie, can you help me cut?
Yes.
All right, let's go. Turn your hand the right way. Open and close. Wow, great cut. The next step is going to be to take that same balloon and fill it up with some Play-Doh. We found some old Play-Doh around the house that Wolf mixed up. Right, Wolf?
Right.
So you're gonna help me stuff the balloon?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's see if we can fit it in there.
We can fit it.
All right, Wolfie, put it in.
We can fit
Put it in, put it in, put it in.
it.
Good job.
Wow, now it looks like a ball.
It does. Let's put some more in there, okay? So our first balloon should look something like this. Now we're gonna take that first balloon and set it aside. We're gonna pick up our second balloon and we're gonna do the same cut where we cut at the base of the stem. Then we're going to cut a little oval right here on the side. Watch it, Wolf.
Watch out for your fingers.
Thank you, baby. And it should look something like this.
Well, it looks like a moon. Half balloon.
All right, now we're going to take the second balloon and stretch it over our first one. The last step to our project is going to be to draw a ninja face.